You're almost there. Your dream home is in sight, but suddenly, well, underwriting feels like an obstacle course filled with hidden traps.
Just for you. Surprise!
What if I told you that almost every underwriting issue is very predictable and easily avoidable? I'm going to show you and talk to you through this, exactly how to glide through underwriting without the stress, well, or as so much as you might have. So listen up. First up, documentation mistakes are the number one underwriting killer, but they're also pretty much totally preventable. Here's how it usually goes wrong. You submit bank statements, pay stubs, tax returns, but something's off. Maybe you didn't get all the pages, even the blank ones. Maybe they're outdated, it's incomplete. Suddenly, your underwriter flags your entire file for additional review, and now you're frustrated and delayed. For example, here, let's say your lender asked you for your last 2 months' bank statements, but you only submitted 1 month. Seems minor, right? But underwriters need these documents to confirm your money trail is clear, stable, and free of unexplained surprises. That's part of the anti-money laundering laws, AML and BSA. Here's the easy solution. Double check what your lender requests. Make sure your paperwork is recent, typically from within the last 30 days, and it exactly matches the request. This simple step alone can save you days of headaches and, our team trying to get it from you. Okay, your paperwork is flawless, but here's another one. It's a big one, and it trips people up all the time. Making sudden financial moves during underwriting. Ever hear of someone losing their home because they bought furniture too early? Yeah, that actually does happen. And I'm about to help you avoid becoming, that cautionary tale. So during underwriting, your financial life should be calm waters, not stormy seas. Big purchases like cars, furniture, or even opening a new credit card can drastically affect your approval, purchase, or refinance. Let me paint you a picture. Imagine you're just days away from closing. You're feeling good, and you decide to buy a brand new car to celebrate this credit event. Well, suddenly, your debt-to-income ratio spikes, your underwriter recalculates everything, and now you no longer qualify for your loan. I've seen it happen, and it's heartbreaking. But here's how easy it is to avoid. Wait until after closing for any big purchases or new credit lines. I mean, seriously, wait. Keep your finances steady and predictable, and underwriting will reward you with smooth sailing. Finally, the secret weapon that, almost nobody talks about is communication. Did you know the difference between a nightmare underwriting experience and a stress-free one is often just clear, proactive communication with your lender? Here's exactly what that looks like. Underwriting gets complicated because borrowers are sometimes afraid to ask questions or share issues up front. You don't want to look stupid, and I get it, but do not do that. Your loan officer is your advocate. They're literally on your team. Maybe you're nervous because you had a late payment on a credit card 2 months ago. Instead of hoping that, nobody notices, tell your lender immediately in the process. They can address it proactively with the underwriter, saving you stress and speeding up your approval. A letter of explanation will go a long way. Another practical tip is to respond quickly whenever your lender asks for additional information or documentation. Delays in responses cause unnecessary delays in underwriting. Fast communication shows underwriters you're committed and responsible, making them more confident to approve your loan quickly. Look, underwriting doesn't have to be intimidating. By avoiding simple mistakes like sloppy paperwork, big financial changes, and poor communication, you're setting yourself up for success. Remember, underwriting is just about proving that you're financially ready. Now, you're equipped with the exact tools you need to sail smoothly through the underwriting process. No surprises and little stress. It's always stressful, but less stress. If this helped you, share it with anyone else feeling just overwhelmed with underwriting. You've got this, and we're always here to help guide you home. Until next time, take care.